towards the house? Yeah. There we go. That's the one. Look at Jason. Jason has the big boy.
Where's the big box? Did you shoot it off? I didn't even look at it. I'm just shooting. Watch out. Let's back up a little bit. Don't shoot first, Jason. Win. Hey. Are those the best? Hold that up.
Come here, please.
Behind the car. Okay. Glenn's got this big one. Got Glenn.
We should record this.
He is right now with his GoPro.
Oh, you would see. See anything.
Come on, he's
Oh.
not done yet.
Alright, let's go.
No, he's not done yet.
What? Yeah, he is.
Try to get a little video footage of this carnage that happened here through Wasilla. We had some hardcore winds. Here, Bill, you should take this and try to film. Don't hit any buttons, okay? It's recorded. Oh yeah, look at that. It's moving right over to him. Wow. And then we got another one up there.
Look at that. Well, I can't really see there.
We got the other one up here.
Yeah.
We got two of them. The truck on the side. And the other one over.
That one is still. That one is still there. Look what it's doing.
It's still
up there.
recording, yeah.
Okay. I've been flopping it around a little bit.
It's alright. It'll smooth itself out. This one's still there too. I see it right clean as
It's
day.
out there. Can you see it?
Yeah. There it is. Flopped right over on the right.
Oh,
and there's
yeah.
the one on the left too. Make sure you get some video footage of that one also. Let me roll down my window so you really get a good shot of this one. Right there.
Yes.
Yeah, I did.
You can slow down, Jay. Slow down.
Okay.
Slow down. Yeah. Look at
Look at that, guys. That's what high wind will do.
Look at that.
And that one.
Yeah. Oh, there's a boat up there. There's a boat up there too.
Alright.
Okay, I'm done.
That was good.
I tried to get all of it in there, Jay.
Then we had a trailer back over here. There's a trailer right up here somewhere, I thought, too.
Oh, there it is there. This goes behind us.
Yeah. Where's the trailer? Right there. Look at this, guys. Trailer right there. I would zoom in, but I'm driving, so.
Wow, that's how many right in this area. Crazy.
There's a little wind carnage for you. Tree right there.
Branches.
Signs blown off.
Yep. Go, 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 go. Push, 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 push. Power, 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 power. Lean back, lean back, lean back. Power, 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 power.
His motor fell in mid-flight, ended up getting a hole in the piston. Somehow it was running too lean or something. I'm not sure if his carb was out of adjustment or not exactly sure. But anyway, I think that was part of his problem on the takeoff. He was running some fuel that I brought, so I know the mixture of the fuel was good. Not sure if the carb was at adjustment or not.
Perfect. A little rough
It's an
on the
EOS
takeoff,
100, and I'm not really familiar with those
all in all,
motors.
he's up there, full send.
More familiar with the Viteros E185s.
Alright. See if I can't get up there behind him here. That's how I like to hold my brakes right there. And my A's right here. Those are the first to go. I got a slight tailwind. See that? If I'm good, I should be able to pull it off.
my GoPro died as usual. It's a pretty good flight. My hour meter cable broke, so I'm not exactly sure how long I was up there. I want to say probably close to an hour anyway. It's pretty good. Out here on Big Lake today. Haven't got a fly for, this is my 3rd week. I didn't get a fly because of winds and super extreme cold. 25 below weather we had for a week straight. 20 to 25 below. It was really cold. And yeah, anyway, so it was nice just to get back in the air again. I got Adam in the air. His motor took a crap though, so it kind of sucks. I'm not sure exactly what happened there. Rings or something. Anyway, we're gonna have some fun with this guy here now. Hair in my mouth. Yeah, so anyway, I got this plane here, just fixed it up. It's had a couple crashes. Been pretty cool. And you got the big scale models back there. That's the bigger version of this. Anyway, sorry I didn't get my landing on video, but anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And there's the little airplane action there. Nice. Recording backwards, so. Right on, guys. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button and click the bell, and you'll be notified when I put out future videos. So I try to put one out every other week. Most of the time every week is how I usually do it, but every other week is my goal anyway. Try to get a video out for you guys to check out this awesome, blessed life that I get to live here in the paramotor world, and just in Alaska in general. So, alright then, guys, hope you guys liked the video, and we'll catch you on the next one. Till next time, fly safe.